Hi boys and girls. Today our math lesson is on solving problems using line plots again. You've been working really hard all week to solve problems already using line plots. I'm going to talk about two different types of problems that they may ask you today that would be new to you. So if we look at this line plot, it's talking about the heights of students, so how tall students are. And it already has the data plotted and it's talking about in feet. So if we look here, our smallest number is 4 1/4 feet, and 6 2/4 feet is the largest height, the tallest person. So if we're looking, something they could ask you today is what is the difference in height between the tallest and the shortest student? We know when we hear difference that they're usually signaling that you're going to be subtracting, which is exactly what you would do in this case. So if we are trying to find the difference of the tallest and shortest students, first we need to find the tallest and shortest students. So I know that on this line plot, the largest number that has a point plotted over it is 6 2/4. So this is the tallest student. And the smallest number that has a point plotted over it is 4 1/4. This is the shortest student. If I need to find the difference, which is subtraction, like we had just said, then we're going to subtract. So 6 2/4 minus 4 1/4. We know how to do this. So we subtract the wholes first. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2/4 minus 1/4 leaves us with 1/4. So 2 1/4 feet would be the answer to what is the difference between the tallest and the shortest students. Something else that they could ask you today is again about the most common height. So if we were to ask you what the most common height is, you're looking for the number that has the most points plotted above it. So take a moment to look. The height that is the most common with the most points above it would be 5 2/4. It has 4 points plotted on top of it. No other numbers on this line plot have 4 or more. So this is the most common height. If we were asked today about an outlier has to be 2 or more units away with nothing in between. So if we look, most of our data is here. This is only 1 away. This has 2 empty, and then there's 1 by itself. So our tallest student, 6 2/4, is also an outlier. It is by itself. It's separated from the rest of the data. Today there will probably be more word problems than usual, but feel free to message me on Google Hangouts if you need help. We can video chat or we can message. I am here, more than happy to help you. Good luck with your work today. Try your best.